Legends of Learning presents the Lift the Ship game. This is a science experiment game that makes learning about the conservation of matter fun and easy to understand. The objective of this game is to make a ship float to the expected height in the final container by using your knowledge of how water changes its states under different conditions. Experiment with heat and cold as you solve science experiments in this game to achieve the goal. You will be required to click with your mouse to switch on a Bunsen burner valve, to light a fire, to add heat to the experiment, or click on a switch to start the freezing process, to add cold to the experiment, to make water freeze into ice cubes. You will also use your mouse to drag and drop ice cubes into a container to complete the different experiments. To achieve the end goal, be aware that water evaporates, so careful planning is needed to complete the goal. Learn more about the conservation of matter in this game as you progress to higher levels. Are you ready to accept the challenge? Do you have the right skills to help you complete all the experiments in the game? Have fun!